Introducing the letter K. K is for kangaroo, hopping along. K is for a king, humming a song. K is for a kite, flying so high. K is for a kiss, blown to the sky. K is for ketchup and kayak too. K is for a kiwi, for me and you. What else starts with the letter K? How about kettle, kitchen and key work too? Can koala and kick be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the k sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter K. Down, lean in, out. Down, lean in, out. Down, lean in, out. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp.